My bass low, I run low. She go low, my beat low. My bass low, I run low. She go low.
Side view, her booty throw up crip. Look so good, no attention get paid to the chick she came with. She so bad. That's what my bro said. Damn right, I know it.
Wherever she goes, she flaunt it.
That spotlight, she own it. Bad bitch committee, other girls ain't on it. Look at them, now look at her, it ain't even fair. Little waist, fat ass, the combination rare. Fools walking past, just stop and stare. Pam no mind, she don't even care. No runway, but she belong there. Eye candy, double XL, King Magazine cover girl as well. She looks so good, she looks so swell. Working that ass in the heavy heels. Got me like, man, this chick bad. But her body better, I got to get out of. Take her home, bring the freak about her.
Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that. Never seen a chick on the bar like that.
She miss summertime shawty, miss badass body, breaking necks, causing wrecks, make a grown man sweat. Tats down her leg, on her tits and her neck. Her pussy on point, how she looking, she a threat. Other hoes talk about her, saying she ain't shit, not knowing she can screenshot the baby daddy trying to hit. I tell her all the time, don't worry about that shit. Now gon' bend over, spread them lips and work this dick. Throw it back, roll them hips, throw it back, roll them hips. Show me you the shit, show me you that bitch. Throw it back, roll them hips,
throw it back, roll them hips.
Show me you the shit, show me you that bitch.
Never seen a chick on the bar